general belief is that you responded only because the Congress took up the issue. Yours has been a reaction, or that's what Captain Amrinder Singh says, too little, too late, and a reaction to what he did, and that there are entrenched interests that you are today supporting.
I think, Rajiv, you're just one of the few people who still believes and listens to Captain, who's been there for too long, and people have had enough. Now you're talking to me about a person who concurred with all these ordinances as said by the minister on the floor of the House. And if the minister was telling lies, why did the MPs not move a privilege motion against him? You're talking about a Captain Amrinder Singh who in his 2017 manifesto released by no less than Dr. Manmohan Singh and made by his finance minister promises these very same ordinances, and he comes in March, and the first thing and the only thing he's completed out of this thick manifesto of his is implement this act in the first Vidhan Sabha, which exists in Punjab for the last 3.5 years. This is the manifesto by Rahul Gandhi for the 2019 elections, which says that they're going to implement exactly the same things if they come in. That's the reason why Amrinder Singh concurred with the minister when all the CM's stakeholders meetings took place.
I asked Mr. Chidambaram about that manifesto. They claim that they were not dismantling the APMC like the BJP or the NDA wants to do.
Please let me finish. I'll come to your answer later. This Congress and Captain Amrinder Singh, who have concurred, who have implemented, now double-faced go and oppose it in the parliament. That is the real face of Congress. Now you come to APMC. Maybe in many states it's controlled by some parties. But anybody who knows Punjab, that in Punjab it is totally under the government. The entire mandi structure is under the government. And I must say that Sar Prakash Singh Badal played the most important role in making this robust infrastructure, where every 5 mandis has, every 5 villages, 5 kilometers, it has its own mandi. Every village is connected by the rural road so that the farmers can come to the mandi. The entire crop which comes in a window of 10 days. And mind you, this is the crop which feeds 40% into the national pool from this little 2% of land area state that we have.
So has the Modi,
and in 10 days it's procured.
So has the Modi government's vision of one nation, one market
failed? The farmer gets his payment. Where does it happen in any other part of the country?
So Harsimrat Kaur Badal, do you believe the Modi government's vision of a one nation, one market is a flawed vision?
It doesn't matter, Rajdeep, what you and I believe. My entire resignation was only asking for one thing, that the farmers who have sent me there, they have apprehensions against this bill. And not only my farmers, the farmers of Haryana, of Rajasthan, of UP have approached us. Across party lines, you heard in the parliament how many people raised how many apprehensions. My one demand was that please let's send it to the select committee, let the stakeholders be consulted, address the apprehensions and bring in a bill which is in the benefit and welcomed by all farmers across, because each farmer is the backbone of the economy of our country, and each of us in that Lok Sabha have got there with the farmers' votes.
Let me therefore ask you...
So whether it's one farmers of one state or the other doesn't matter, let's address all of them.
Let me ask you in conclusion, why didn't your party therefore decide to withdraw support to the NDA? If you believe that this bill is a flawed one, if you really stand for the farmers, you claim that your heart beats for the Kisan, why are you not withdrawing support? Do you want the best of both worlds? You want to be part of the NDA and at the same time are trying to make a symbolic gesture by withdrawing from the cabinet?
If you think withdrawing from a cabinet is a symbolic gesture, I would request you tell Captain Amrinder Singh or any of his MPs to do it, if it's so symbolic according to you. It's a well thought out decision, which was not an easy decision, because staying within the government, I have managed to do for Punjab, which your entire Captain Amrinder Singh's 10 years of his government staying in the centre could not do even one of those. So what Prime Minister Modi has done for Punjab and Punjabis is incomparable to what our very own Congress and Dr. Manmohan Singh did not do for 10 long years, despite Amrinder Singh's wife being a minister there, whether it's the Kartarpur Sahib corridor, whether it's justice for 84 or a number of other things.
So let's not get into that. Do you want to have your cake and eat it too?
No, it is not a question.
Be part of the government and yet not be part of the cabinet.
Can I answer you?
Yes.
If you've asked me a question, please allow me to answer.
Sure.
I have resigned from the cabinet yesterday. As my party president has said, the future course of action will be decided by the party high command, and that high command has not met and given a decision.
Ma'am, you
they
and
will
Sukhbir
take
are
the
the high
course of
command.
action, but let me tell you that the course of action will be that. Let me tell you the course of action will be that which is in the benefit of the farmers. Akali Dal and me and my party stand with the farmers. Whatever the decision is, the farmers will be at the top of our agenda. Be rest assured about that.